Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Electrify America to activate session at stations, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Electrify America website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. On the home page, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Electrify America account. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password carefully. Once both fields are filled, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the nearest charging station. Click on the station to begin your session activation. Review the station details for any specific instructions or requirements. Once you're ready, click the Activate Session button. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your session activation. After activation, you'll receive a notification indicating your session is active. Now you can proceed to the charging station and connect your vehicle. Remember to monitor your charging progress through the app or dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.